Teachers, I need your help. I need your advice. Just a quick rant, a little bit off what I normally talk about on this channel, but I really need your help because I'm getting quite frustrated. You know, AI, ChatGPT, I think it's great. I use it. I use it to help me write emails. I definitely use it to help me do research. I've used it to help me find restaurants. I use it a lot, and I generally think it's great. But I really worry what it's doing to our students. Now, I'm a music professor in a college, and in my classes, I don't have my students write too many papers because what I teach is music theory. So mostly they're analyzing music and they're writing a little bit. But believe it or not, my students have found a way to try to use ChatGPT to submit some of their assignments. Let me tell you what this assignment is, and you tell me what you think I could do to make it better. So, in my basic music theory, it's called Fundamentals of Music. I have an assignment where near the end of the semester, you have to write a short melody. And all you have to do is write 16 measures of music. You don't have to write harmony. It's a single line. You can write more if you want, but single line. And you can either perform it, or if you can't play it, you can use a program like GarageBand to play. Anyway, you can hand in um, an MP3 of the performance as long as you can show that you've written it. So what you do is you can write it on an online program. I haven't used Noteflight because it's free. There's also Finale on the computers if they want it. If you're not going to perform it and record that or perform it in class, then you can do an online program, but you have to show that you've written something out by hand. Anyway, just get this. So the instructions are clear. I write them out, maybe clearer than I just said them out loud just now, but the instructions are quite clear on what you should do. They're handing in a picture, an image of what they wrote, and a recording of what they played or of that piece of music. This student apparently entered my instructions as a prompt into Chat GPT or similar. And it said, it said this: if I were to approach this assignment, what I would do would be to start with this, and then I would proceed this. Basically, it's a bunch of prose. And what you're supposed to hand in is a piece of music, a short melody, not a big deal, and a recording of it, or you perform it in class, but something that you've actually written. It's music. And this person handed in an answer to a prompt. And they know about this. I categorize it as a special project. It's put up on the website since the beginning of class. And I wrote back and I said, I'm not sure. I tried to be nice. I said, I'm not sure what you're doing here. You're supposed to be handing in a piece of music that you wrote, not what you would do. So I gave the student the benefit of the doubt. I didn't say, I know you've used ChatGPT. I gave them the benefit of the doubt and said, assumed that they had just simply written how they would approach it. They said, you're not supposed to write how you would approach it. You're supposed to do the actual assignment. And I was even so nice, I said, I'm going to give you an F for now, but I'll give you a second chance to hand it in. They wrote back and complained, said, I don't understand why I'm getting a bad grade here. I followed the directions. And I wrote back and said, all you did was answer a question, but the directions said to write a melody. So anyway, this is what the student did. So I thought, surely this assignment is foolproof. There's no way to use ChatGPT to write out this melody. And okay, if they did, they at least have to perform it in class. If they have an audio recording of it, then they have to have written it by hand. I thought this is foolproof. So I don't know. What would you do? What would you do in this situation? I don't want to make them do it in class. I want to give them time to think about it. Anyway, that's just a quick rant. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm very interested to know what you think or what you would do. Even if you're not a teacher, even if you're just a musician who has some private students, or if you're a budding musician or a music student, let me know what you think about this. Anyway, thank you so much for sitting through my rant. I don't do them. I don't think I've even done one on this channel. I really appreciate you watching and listening to this point, and love to hear your comments. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.